Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Do you know what is AuReL? Here I will share with you about AuReL, which is an authentic and micro-reflective learning approach in enhancing students' learning performance and digital skills for technology-based course. I am Anazika and these cute people are my team member. For your information, AuReL aims in enhancing students' learning performance and digital skills through an authentic and micro-reflective learning environment, especially for technology-based course. The highlight of new ideas in this project is the combination of two learning approaches, which are authentic learning and micro-reflection. Furthermore, this project also emphasized on the use of authentic learning framework consisting of 9 guiding design elements to provide rooms for students in learning in real working environment. On top of that, micro-reflective learning also be used to assist students in improving their content knowledge. Okay, the most interesting part of AuReL is the theory underpinning it. AuReL lies under the situated learning theory that emphasized on the constructivist learning, which is learning by doing, within an authentic context, which is real world that incorporates social interaction. The combination of 9 guiding design elements in an authentic learning framework and the 3 processes in the model of reflection are the most significant part in this product. And this combination of learning approach also provide flexibility where it can be implemented either in online or physical class. Okay, this is the highlight of this presentation, which is the teaching and learning process of AuReL. As you can see in the figure, all-purpose elements are the 9 guiding design elements under authentic learning framework. Meanwhile, all the orange color elements are the elements under the model of reflection. In AuReL, students were learning in authentic context based on the activity and task given. For the whole semester, students were going through the model of reflection process, which include the experience and reflection process itself. They are attending the lecture, assessing the content in UTM e-learning, which falls under the expert performances elements. After that, they write reflection on the content of learning through micro-learning activity in Twitter. In the next following weeks, the Wheel of Name reflection activity was conducted before starting the new topic for the lecture. Next, we move to the authentic task for the student. The first stage of the authentic task is the need assessment, where students need to interview real workers on what is the mode and type of training that they have experienced or they have interest to attend. Then, they need to design and develop a training for real worker based on the need assessment task. Based on the task, students need to produce a pitching video to pitch their idea together with a training proposal in the form of report as their authentic assessment. And throughout the process, students also undergo several criteria under authentic framework, which is multiple perspective, collaboration, articulation, and also scaffolding. Therefore, it can be seen that the implementation of AuReL in technology-based course gives students rooms to learn in real environment and increasing students' understanding in content knowledge throughout the Twitter micro-reflection. Here I share some of the students' feedback after learning through AuReL learning environment. Most of them are satisfied and feel engaged through the use of Twitter for micro-reflection. AuReL also aligned with the main element of NALI, which is student-centered learning. In AuReL, the activity was completely done by students with the facilitation and consultation from instructor. On top of that, AuReL also empower high-impact educational practices where the students were exposed to digital skill set required in the real working environment. And of course, AuReL support outcome-based education, which shows improvement in their digital skills and also cognitive attribute. To add, AuReL also make full use of UTM e-learning as the platform to deliver all the resources for this course. Yes, the most important part that AuReL has proved the students' learning performance was in good state, where the number of high-performing students were higher compared to low-performing students in both sections. Same goes to the digital skills, where both sections are above 90% of the total score given in the digital skill set assessment. AuReL also has the potential to be commercialized, especially to serve as a guideline in enhancing students' learning performance and digital skills in learning technology-based course. Additionally, a module will also be produced for educators who teach technology-based course, especially in human resource background. Before I end my sharing on AuReL, I would like to show some of the examples of micro-reflection activity that have been done on Twitter. Here are the examples of simple report from the authentic task in stage 1. And lastly, you can scan the QR code to view the sample of pitching video that have been produced by students based on the authentic assessment given. I hope my sharing just now give you more understanding on our learning environment. Thank you for listening and feel free to email me if you have any further questions. Assalamualaikum.